What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe, and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30. Check out all the links in the description. Thousands of dollars of free crypto down there, along with signals, COINCALLS, TA, alpha, and memes in our private Discord. Accessed by signing up to the Patreon. You can also sign up to our brand new Udemy course for serious investors, where we've just released our Basics of Technical Analysis course. Make sure to watch till the end for short and long-term price predictions. That's where the good stuff is. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So we're just taking a quick look at Avalanche here, and as we can see, looking like it has been, correcting and consolidating just like a lot of cryptos have been recently. Very clear that we were seeing some big bearish divergences for Avalanche for a good while here. You can see ever since we hit this peak here and we had the overextension here that we were forming a bearish divergence here in a big way. And once we came up to around that $150 level, which was a key psychological level, you would say realistically, we did have that rollover, didn't we, and a bit of a consolidation in the market. It was interesting because, the market started selling off on around the 10th of November, and Avalanche actually had one last push to the upside here, didn't it? And you can see here we've actually been going sideways for a little while here for Avalanche, even with the bearishness in the market. We finally lost this support of this uptrend though, like this kind of coil that we were seeing. Coiling up, we lost support, we come back up, we retest resistance, and then we lose the bottom of the range. We roll over to our next key level of support, which was this swing low here down at around $53, $54. And then since then, we've had a little bit of a pickup off the low, haven't we? But overall, Avalanche, it was pretty obvious that it was getting pretty damn overextended. And you could say realistically, just like a lot of cryptos here, potentially, we had a little bit of a downtrend like this, didn't we, on our RSI? Avalanche looking fairly bullish though, because it's looking like it might be actually breaking out and back testing. You can see resistance on the RSI. We come down to that very oversold region, just like so many cryptos are forming up like this. Basically looking like, incredibly oversold in general. This might be this is the most oversold Avalanche has ever been on this particular chart. You can see here we got crazy oversold. We come back up, we break out of our RSI downtrend, we backtest, and now looking like we are just chopping up, chopping sideways potentially in the fair value region. Fully reset from this bearish divergence now that we've seen here. Potentially ready for another leg up, and if we can break it back into this range here, you'd say potentially getting back up to the 141 and then onwards towards the 161. Doesn't seem that unlikely at all, heading up towards that $200 level for Avalanche. This is a great project, isn't it? It's getting an absolute ton of use at the minute. So many projects that we've been seeing recently have been launching on Avalanche. Loads of node projects, loads of NFT projects, really quality stuff. So getting a ton of use in general, the chain. And we do think this is going to continue because it's obviously a great alternative to Ethereum. So a quick look at the hourly time frame will show you that we've basically come down. We got that overextension, didn't we? A W double bottom like this, and then we come back up and we have just been chopping sideways, basically just waiting for Bitcoin to decide what it wants to do, isn't it? So just before we do short-term price predictions, then as always, we would like to direct your attention to our free Discord down in the description. Go down there and sign up. It takes like 10 seconds, and our community is so good right now. We're growing like 20, 30, 40 people a day at the minute, over 1,000 people in there posting so much quality content. But I mean, people are literally posting like 50 or 100x projects in there. Super risky, of course, because they're brand new. But we have been finding some really good plays in there. Our community has been absolutely thriving. So go down there and check it out. It takes like 10 seconds. Really good community, totally free. And then if you do want to get an edge on the market, as we always say, you can sign up to the Patreon. Link also in the description. Support the channel. You'll get access to daily Bitcoin signals. You'll get access to Maxi Moves, where we talk about our own personal moves in the market. We've got Alpha there, where we post about potential 100,000x opportunities in the market. Absolutely incredible. Obviously super high risk, but potentially super high reward. We've got 10x potential cryptos in 2022. Passive income plays, all kinds of content being posted all the time. So please go check it out. We'd really appreciate your support and become a Crypto Maximalist today. So very simply, with that being said, if we're rolling over, we're heading back down towards this $60 region, aren't we? And then heading up, we want to be heading up towards this $75 to $80 zone here, back inside the range, start getting back up towards that 127 extension at around that $100 level, which is obviously a very key level, isn't it? So once we get back up towards those levels, I mean, Avalanche is just getting a ton of use, isn't it? The fundamentals are absolutely massive. And in our opinion, you know, this could easily be $300 or $400 in 2022 if the market plays ball, just simply because, you know, it's just getting so much use. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos we post every single day. Make sure to join the Patreon or YouTube membership to support us, as well as getting a ton of benefits. Crypto Maximalists will get access to daily signals, coin calls, alpha on new projects, 10x potential cryptos, and insight into our own personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes you beyond, giving you a look at our personal portfolio, super low cap gems, 100x potential portfolio, and constant access to us personally as a resource. We're constantly in the Discord posting daily and chatting with members, and we'll be hosting giveaways soon, so come and join a community rich with value and content. If you're serious about your education, you can also sign up to our newly launched Udemy course, which comes as standard with the Basics of Technical Analysis 10-part course, which details an overview of everything we do on this channel regarding chart theory, with examples and demonstrations. We'll also be adding multiple times per week to 2 other courses on our Udemy, which will be the Market Psychologist and Strategies and Crypto Deep Dives and Ratings courses. These will be continuously updated into the future to provide value to the most dedicated in the community to knowledge and learning. We're getting continuous questions regarding technical analysis, particular cryptocurrencies, and for advice in certain market conditions, and you'll find the answers to these questions in the Udemy ongoing into the future. This community will be full of the highest quality individuals, and is going to be an extremely valuable place to be in our opinion. If you want to sign up, the link is in the description. Remember, you can also join the public section of the Discord too, where we post news, technical analysis, updates on the markets, larger cap gems, and the occasional meme. There's absolutely no reason not to get involved with all that value. Links are in the description for everything we've mentioned here. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.